Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Zyojyo Tech. If you have just installed Windows 11 or about a new PC, today I'm going to show you 10 important things you must do after installing Windows 11. Okay guys, these steps will boost your speed, improve security and give you the best Windows experience. Okay, for the first step, what you have to do is you have to update your Windows. Okay, how can you do that? Very simple. Press Windows plus I from the keyboard to open the setting tab. Then after, in the down side, left hand side, click the Windows Update and click the Up to Date. Okay, when you update the Windows, then this installs the latest security patches and fixes bugs. We have to always do this first. Okay, the number 2 is that update the drivers. Update the drivers for graphics, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and chipset. Okay, you can do from this Windows Update. Just click update like this and your graphics driver and all drivers will be updated. Now remove the bloatware. Windows 11 comes with many unwanted apps. If you do not need that, then after you can uninstall. Okay, press Windows plus R from the keyboard and type app.wiz.cpl to open the installed programs here. If you find out here some bloatware if you do not need, then just right click and you can uninstall. Okay, the fourth number is disable the startup apps. How can you do that? Press Ctrl Shift Escape from the keyboard to open the text manager. Then after, click this three dot and here find out here the startup apps. Click that and disable which you do not need. Okay, I have disable here Xbox terminal and after this graphics. Okay, Microsoft 365 Copilot, which I do not need. Okay, you can also disable like this. Now then after is turn on system restore. We have to turn on system restore. The importance of system restore is that when your system, when your OS is crashed, then after you can restore that OS from your previous restore point. How can you do that? Press click on the start menu and type restore, and here you can find out the created restore points. Click that, and then after here you have to this turn on. Go to configure. If there is turn off, you have to turn on. Okay, apply and okay. Then after create a restore point, from here you can give a name or a date. Okay, then after just create. This may take about 1 minute to create a system restore. This is very helpful. Now you can find how the restore point was created successfully. It's closed now. Now next setting what you have to do is you have to adjust the privacy setting. Okay, press Windows plus I from the keyboard to open the setting tab. Then after, go to privacy and security option, and there you have to turn off like tracking or location or ID and diagnostic data. Okay, now check here the find my device. If your location is turned on, then after you can turn off your location. Go to location setting. I have here turn off the location. Then after improve inking and typing, just click turn off. This is for the better performance. Now next is set power mode to the best performance. We have to set your power performance to the best performance. Okay, go to the setting, Windows plus I from the keyboard, and after you have to go to the power and battery option. Power and battery, go to system and you can find out here power and battery option, and here you have to choose the power mode to the balanced or the best performance. Okay, you can choose best performance. your system becomes noticeably faster, okay, when you choose the best performance. Now enable the clipboard history. Okay, enable clipboard history is very important in Windows 11. How can you do that? Press Windows plus P from the keyboard. I have turned on. If you have not turned on, then I have turned on this, and this is very useful. You can copy the multiple pages from different websites and you can paste in your Word document one by one, okay, which you need. This is very useful. Then after, if you are a gamer, then after you have to go to the gaming mode and you have to turn on the game mode, okay. If you are a gamer, go to setting, press +I from the keyboard, and then after go to the gaming tab here and gaming mode. Then after, what I have to do is that you have to turn on this game mode for the faster performance. Okay, now turn on the storage sense. This automatically cleans the junk files and saves space, so that you have to turn on the storage sense. How can you do that? Press Windows +I from the keyboard. Then after, go to the setting, and after go to the system, scroll down, and you can find our storage, like that. And here is the storage sense. If there is turn off, then you have to turn on the storage sense, okay. This cleans off the junk files and saves space. Bonus tips that you have to install essential software like Chrome, Brave, Firefox for the browsing. Then after, you have to install WinRAR or 7zip for the file extractions or making GIF. Then after, you have to download VLC Media Player for the video player. Then after, Microsoft Office or LibreOffice for the office programming, and you have to install antivirus if you need it, okay. So these were the 10 important things you must do after installing Windows 11. Guys, if this video helped, hit like, subscribe and share this video to others. This is Zyojyo Tech. See you in the next one. Thanks.